Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, but we're going to be testing out the Gwen Stefani palette. I don't know what that says. I don't know what her company is called because I can't really tell what that says. So if anybody knows, let me know. Because it just has those letters, GXVE. And then it says, Eyes Seen in Color, Multidimensional Eyeshadow Quad. That's what this says. And this one is Danger Zone. So that's what we're testing out today. It's so me. I just love it. The only thing is that dark one has some sparkle in it. And I had intended to use that for liner. I still intend to try it out as liner and see how it goes. But I don't think it's supposed to be used as liner because it's sparkly. We'll see. If not, we'll use something else for liner. But anyway, first, I do want to do that method that I used last time that I saw on, I don't know what I saw it on. It wasn't on TikTok because I never look at TikTok, but I think it was a TikTok that somebody turned it into a reel because I watched it as a reel. But anyways, it's the one where you put the dots all over because I really loved the way that wore with all that setting spray on it. It was so good. By the end of the day, it was still perfect. And it felt so light, like it wasn't even there. It was awesome. Anyways, that's what we're going to do again. But I'm going to do it a little different because that kind of took a while, but that was because it was my first time. So anyways, we're going to get started. And I did forget to put primer on last time also. So we're going to do that this time. It's really hot here today. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating. I just turned these lights on and I'm already hot. So I don't know how long it's going to take for this to soak in. So I'm going to go in with my concealer first because it's the lightest, and I am going to use my Pat McGrath. We're not going to use anything new on this one, and I'm not going to do it exactly like she did it because I don't remember, and I'm not going to go get that. I want to learn to do it myself. I have an eyelash or something on there. And since we're doing the eyes too today, so I'm basically just going to do exactly what I always do, the same, and then just blend it all at the same time. So that's really all I'm doing is changing the blending. Although now we're going to put foundation, and we're going to use this Makeup Forever HD Skin because I think I liked it. I have so much foundations here. I'm just going to put it on my hand like that and just dot it like I do. I know that I felt like last time I didn't have enough foundation, and hopefully this is going to go way faster than last time. We're going to do I am going to use the same blush because I kind of liked it, but I did kind of feel like I got too much last time. So all right, we're going to use my Tarte Pro Glow palette again right there, and I'm just going to grab some on my finger and make some dots. Let's see. And I want to put a little bit down here, just a couple dots. And then I'm going to use a brush for my nose because I can't, my finger's not that skinny. Now we'll spray it and blend it. And I'm going to use a sponge this time. Starting with the lightest color as best you can. And just blend, blend, blend. It's gonna be really quick this time. I'm sure of it. I just loved this method last time. I mean, it did take a long time because it was a learning curve, but I'm thinking with a sponge, it's way faster. It looks pretty blended now, I think. Maybe a little more on the edges. And it blends really well this time. It blended well last time, but I'm just not one to use a brush that often to blend. I need to go back with the sponge. I think it looks great. I'm gonna spray it one more time. Because I really think that's what kept it good. And then I'm gonna let that dry for a minute, and then I'm gonna powder it. I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I'm gonna use my sponge. Start with my under eyes. Do these smile lines. And I didn't put concealer right here this time like they do in that one. I just can't do it. It always gets separated or cakey, or I'm not sure, but it never looks good for me. Now I'm just going to take my powder brush and kind of spread all that powder I just put on to the rest of my face. I think we're going to do my brows first, so that as we use the eyeshadow, we get the great effect. It'll already be good. So I'm going to use my Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow in Soft Blonde for my brows. And I'm just going to brush them up. And then go in with my little pin, because it's like a little felt tip. And start filling them in. All right, that's good for that. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Benefit brow gel on them to keep them in place and call it done for these brows. Now we're ready to start with the shadow palette. So I am, of course, going to start with the lightest color. I got this new brush too. It's a Sigma, it's a Bake Precision P89. So I think I was supposed to use it under here, but I didn't. So I think I'm going to add a little more contour to my nose, and I'm going to use my BAREMINERALS because I don't feel like it's good enough, and I'm going to use this new brush because I want to try it out. Oh, I like the brush. I got it at TJ Maxx for $10. Yeah, I like that better. So I am going to start with the fluffy brush and this lightest color right there. It says me, you, yours on the mirror. I don't know if that has anything to do with the what it says, you know, the name of it that I don't know. And I am going to put this on my whole everything up here, but then I'm going to put it especially on my lid. I like the formula so far. It's not a ton of fallout. Yeah, it looks good with just the light color. All right, I'm gonna go into this this transition color right here. And I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm just going to put it in my crease. Just like that, and pull it up kind of high. Try and get rid of this deep bone that I've got. And then I'm going to put a little bit on the outer part of my lid. Probably about halfway. Maybe not quite halfway. I like it. All right, let's go in with the darker brown color right here. And we're going to put that in the outer V. Just to give us a lift. All right, I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go in with this darkest color that has sparkles in it and use it as a liner. This one right here. This is going to be my perfect travel palette when I go to California next month, if this works for my liner. I mean, who doesn't love a little sparkle in their liner, right? Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't seem dark enough. But maybe I just don't have enough on there yet. It's dark enough. So we'll just take this and smudge the edge of that liner just a little. This one did have some fallout. Probably just because I was trying to make it so dark, though, that I had too much on my brush. But it looks good. Let me give it a little bit of a wing, if I can. I know that this would work a lot better wet, but I'm not ready to do that to it yet. So let's just go ahead and mark our line. Just give it a little bit of a wing lift. That's good. I like it. I like it a lot. I think I am going to put on some mascara because these lashes need to be changed anyways, so. There's that. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this darkness underneath the outer corner. And I did. I pulled it in quite a ways. I just wanted that boldness today. Hey, I really, really, really like this palette. This is the one I'm going to take with me to California. It's probably the only one I'm going to take with me to California. I am going to put on a wee bit of mascara because, like I said, these lashes need to come off anyways, and they got a little dusty. So I'm just going to put on just enough to make them black again to finish off this gorgeous look that I really do love. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lash. Okay, all we have left is lipstick, And for my lipstick today, I have chosen this L'Oreal, can't remember what it's called. Haven't worn it in a long time, but I put it on my hand and I thought, oh, that's pretty. It's called Lacquered Strawberry, and it's the color Rich Shine ones. They look like this, and this color looks like this, and we're gonna use it. I may have to put a gloss over it yet too. I don't think so from what I saw in my hand, but we'll see. It goes on really dark. I blend it with my finger. And then I think it's the perfect color. And I don't think it needs a gloss. I think it's pretty. And that is our look of the day. What do you guys think? Other than the color is a little dark, I really need to start tanning. I do love this palette. I don't know what her company name is. I already told you that, I know. So if anybody could tell me, that would be great. But this is the Danger Zone palette from Gwen Stefani. And I think that it turned out really nice. And it was so easy to do. It blended well. It didn't get muddy. It's just not too much fallout. A little bit of fallout when I used the liner one, but it was a very stiff brush, so I can, I don't even think that it's the formula. I think it's me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!